Hello, welcome to Patrice's Projects. Today I have a quick, simple, useful idea. Unlike my other videos that are very long and lengthy usually, this one is one idea and it's simple. Here's a quick trellis idea. This one I already had these hooks for plants up on my fence, but the fence got so hot that the plant that I hung on one of them last year, it was just a bit hot for it. I used these, I think they're 8-foot stakes that I got at the hardware store, and they're $3 each, and they have a point on the end so that you can shove them into the ground. And then I just threaded it through the netting that I got on Amazon. I think I paid maybe $9 for 30 feet of this, and it looks to be, I'm 5 foot tall, so I believe it's 5 feet because it is above my head a little and above my feet at the ground. So I just threaded it through, and it was a little bit difficult at the ends because you have to get it through those hooks and then rethread it on the end there just by a few. So I was lucky that the hooks were exactly where they are because I didn't move them at all. And they happen to be just the right height too, because I don't want it touching the ground, and I needed to attach it to my fence, so it was perfect. What I did is I threaded another one through here at the bottom, same length, and then I took, these are just little pieces of pallet. My husband had split some for our kindling, and I took a couple pieces out of the pile, and they happened to be just the right size. And then I took some cotton twine, like 2.5 feet of it, because you want to wrap it up real good. And this thing, I let it hang at its natural place, and then I tied it right to it. So it is on there pretty solid so that it doesn't dangle around and tear my plants up. So just a quick trellis idea.